Good morning. It's about 8:30. We've got a mixture of skiers, snowboarders, and mountain bikers. Killington, Vermont. Oh, it's May 9th or something. Getting my gear all situated. Got my board, rubbed some wax on it, made my coffee up. LDOH. Last day on hill. Might be the claim, but we're gonna see. Hopefully maybe get it to Tuckerman's as well. Welcome home, Killington, Vermont. 2024. Let's go. Getting closer now. Look at this. We are absolutely dreaming. First run was a little delayed, a good 20 minutes at least. Of course the chair breaks down, but that means nice and empty runs for E-Man Deluxe. A little bit of a lift line, but we're gonna score. It's already bumping up and it's 9 o'clock. Get a little action here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bump it up. This was completely groomed. This left side, skier's right, was completely groomed when I showed up this morning. And it's already, it's a flat day, you know, but there's some activity out there, a little wind swell. We're looking like 2 plus. Good shot right here. The Killington Glacier, built way up. There's going to be some good action today. A lot of scenery. Hopefully the sun comes out. Yeah, bro! All right, we were up on a glacier. I was here a couple times this winter. We were making our way through back to civilization. It's a little treacherous in here, kind of like avalanche conditions. There was a little slough slide, and I'm just trying to navigate through this mess. But check it out. I mean, the people are absolutely stoking. Look at this jib I found right here. Top of the lift, and look at this jib. Are you kidding? That just needs a little work, and that's a full send right into a mogul field. Yes, dude. Yes. Yes. Ow! Absolutely fully sending it. All right, we are gonna let the crowd thaw out just a bit. And yeah, we will go on after that. Let's see what we got. What kind of talent we got coming up? Everybody's stoking. I mean, everyone. Winter waves. Whole lot of them. This is wackiness. It's like freezing up again. Starting to. These things have gotten massive. This was groomed this morning. Fucking huge. Okay, let's try to find this gap. Second on ramp. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one looks a little better. You gotta find your gap in this mess. Everybody's shredding. Sick. Wow, look at this guy. This guy's got a kilt on right here. All Scottish attire. Crazy. All right, here we go. That one right there. You gotta stay loose. No, I tried to gap it. It's tough. It's like constantly changing. Whew, got it. Oh, so sick. Go ahead, bro. Fuck, man. Fucking destroyed me, the guy. Another line over here. There is. Take a second. Fuck. That was a fun little gap. A couple more cheesers over here. Hopefully. Hold it, hold that edge. Oh, it's deep over here. Look at this. You kidding me? Oh my God. So sick. Total leg engagement all day. And the chair is down again. Oh my God. Too much use. All right, I'm looking. Skier's right. Little kicker there. I'm gonna send it. Wait for your window. Ah! Fucking trying to get that shit.
How fucked up is that?
Wow.